Hey guys, welcome back to All About Android. This time I have brought you a new episode of best free KLWP themes that you can download from Reddit for free as well. I have provided the link of the post from where you can download these KLWP files, or you can download them straight from the link that I have provided right below the like button. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, let me describe the process of using the files as your KLWP live wallpaper. First of all, you have to download the KLWP files, then you have to copy them from your download folder to the internal storage of your phone. Here you will be able to find a folder named custom. Inside of it, you can find another folder which will be named as wallpaper. Here you have to paste the KLWP files and then you have to clear your home screen and turn on the wallpaper scrolling. Also, you need to turn off the dock. So the first theme is called In the Abstract and it's a single page setup and you get all the necessary informations in your home screen like date, time and your battery percentage as well. In the middle of the screen you get 9 app icons which you can customize to open any app you want. Also, you can change the theme from dark to light as you can see here. Overall, it's a beautiful setup which will look very beautiful in any phones. The next theme is called UI Gradient and it's also a single page setup. It looks very minimal and clean as you can see here. You get some infos along with 9 app icons that you can customize to open any app you want. The unique thing about this theme is that you can customize it by one tap. By tapping on this 3 dot icon at the corner opens up the menu from where you can customize this theme. You can change the gradient, invert the colors, make the icon dark or light as per your choice and make it as you like. So it's a very customizable theme. I highly recommend you to check it out. The next theme is called Grapefruit and it's also a single page setup. It's a very simple theme with all the necessary things that you need. You can arrange your app icon according to the theme to make it more productive as I have done here. There is nothing so much special about this theme, but overall it gives your phone a fresh look and you can also toggle the theme between light and dark as you can see here. So if you like the look of this theme, you can give it a try for free. The next theme is called Nature and it's a single page setup. It looks very different from other themes as it has all the status bar icon at the bottom and there is a button in the middle of it. By tapping on opens up a new menu where you can find all of your favorite apps and your music player as well. You might need to do some repositioning of these icons to make it fit perfectly with your home screen. Other than that, it's a beautiful theme with unique animations in it. So you might want to give this one a try as well. The next theme is called Knower and it's a 3 page setup. It's one of the most minimal setup that you can get on your phone. The main page consists only the date and time at the bottom as you can see here. Swiping right opens up the music player partially from where you can play or pause your music. Another swipe to the right opens up the music player completely with an unique animation which looks very sleek in my opinion. That's about it. You can customize the theme to make it more personal by changing the wallpaper and the colors as I did here. So overall, it's a very minimal theme that you can check out. The next theme is called Curvy Gradient and it's a 3 page setup as well. This theme has most beautiful animations which looks very relaxing, as you can see. On the first page, you get your time and calendar schedule. On the second page, you get your music player, and on the last page, you get the weather information. Also, there is a Google search bar at the bottom of it. And you can customize the theme by tapping on this gear icon at the top, as you can see here. So overall, it's a very beautiful and pleasant theme that has some relaxing animation in it. So you might want to give this one a try as well. So those are the free themes that you can download from the Reddit forum for free. I hope you like this video. If you have any queries or suggestion, you can leave that in comment section. Tell me about on what topic you want to see more videos. I will try to follow that as well. So that's about it for this video. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe and peace out.